Hey everyone, it's Anne. Welcome back to my channel. This is another Keto-on-the-go video. This time, I have an all-inclusive layover in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Come along with me. In the early morning of January 17, 2022, many flights were already delayed and cancelled. I was in the aircraft for more than 5 hours before the flight could depart. Luckily, after lunch, my flight to Montego Bay was ready to go. After a long day, I finally checked into the hotel. For dinner, I had mussel stew to start, rack of lamb, and beef fillet. And good morning, Jamaica. These rooms on the first floor has walkout access to a pool. How cool is that? For breakfast, I had the calypso omelet with side bacon. For fruit, starfruit was my choice. After some fun in the sun, it's time for a snack. What's better than jerk chicken? I would normally skip the sauce because there's a high chance that it has sugar in it, but I went for it this time.
Not so spicy.
Sweet is okay?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, friend.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you.
This is a coffee and snack bar. I ordered a latte with almond milk. I found some keto-friendly spices at the airport before leaving. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.